The AI-powered skin analysis market is rapidly expanding. In 2024, leading apps contributed to a global market size of $1.5 billion, which is projected to reach $5.8 billion by 2033, growing at a strong annual rate of 16.5%. This signals a clear opportunity. AI-driven skincare platforms are evolving into personalized digital health ecosystems. If you are planning to build an AI-powered skin analysis app, this walkthrough will show you how a modern, scalable platform works in 2026. Let us start with the user journey. The experience begins with a clean and intuitive onboarding flow designed to guide users without friction. Users can register using email or choose faster sign-in options such as Google or Apple. This ensures flexibility while reducing drop-offs during onboarding. As soon as the user enters their email, the system provides instant feedback by activating the Continue button, guiding them forward. The next step is secure verification. A temporary code is sent to the user's email, enabling two-factor authentication and strengthening platform security. Once verified, users proceed to account creation by setting up a username and password, followed by entering basic details such as name, date of birth, and gender. After accepting the privacy policy, the user moves to a personalization layer. This section captures user intent, whether it is skin analysis, product recommendations, monitoring, or education. This input directly powers the AI engine to deliver more relevant outputs. Once onboarding is complete, the user enters the platform. Returning users experience a streamlined login flow with secure access and password recovery options. Now we move to the core of the platform. The home screen acts as a personalized dashboard with real-time insights into skin health. Users can view key metrics such as elasticity, hydration, and sensitivity at a glance. The platform also surfaces curated recommendations based on user data and AI analysis, positioning itself as a personalized skincare advisor. The highlight of the platform is real-time skin analysis. Users simply activate their device camera, follow on-screen guidance, and the system performs an AI-driven scan. During the scan, real-time progress indicators keep the user informed. Once completed, the system generates a detailed report with scores across multiple parameters, along with simplified insights for easy understanding. The platform then translates these insights into action. Users receive personalized recommendations covering skincare routines, hydration, sun protection, and lifestyle adjustments. The system also identifies specific concerns such as acne, dark circles, or uneven tone, and provides targeted guidance. This naturally extends into product recommendations. Each recommendation includes product details, ingredients, pricing, and user reviews, enabling informed decisions. The platform also enables social sharing. Users can share reports across platforms, making progress tracking more engaging and community-driven. Speaking of community, the platform includes a dedicated space for users to interact, share experiences, and discover trends. This creates a network effect, increasing retention and engagement. The Favorites section allows users to save products and content, acting as a personalized library for quick access. The Reporting module provides long-term tracking. Users can view historical data, analyze trends, and monitor improvements through visual dashboards. At the profile level, users can manage personal information, privacy settings, and account preferences, ensuring full control over their data. Notifications keep users updated on activity, engagement, and community interactions in real time. Overall, the platform combines AI analysis, personalized recommendations, progress tracking, and community engagement into a unified digital experience. This is what modern AI health applications look like in 2026. At Intellivon, we specialize in building scalable, AI-powered digital health platforms that combine intelligent systems with real-world usability. If you are planning to build a similar application, we are ready to help you bring it to life. Connect with us to discuss your requirements.